Hello one and all, this is Subhan from German Panther team at Prolifix. In this video, I'll show you the new at variables introduced in Panther Web for generating prefix markup containing occurrence numbers for various Panther widgets being emitted. So now I'll show you the new at variables. These are the new at variables that are used in Panther Web. One is emitting name, emitting field number, emitting object ID, and emitting occurrence number. So these new at variables can be used for Panther widgets. For the Panther widgets such as single line text field, dynamic label, and static label, you can make use of emitting name, emitting field number, and emitting occurrence number. Whereas for the widget categories such as boxes and grids, you'll be making use of emitting name and emitting object ID. So now we'll see how we can make use of this feature in JPL. So now I have a widget that is DLBL, and for this widget I am applying the prefix markup property, and at the same time I have a button on click function in which I am using the widget's occurrence number as a function parameter. Now coming to the prefix markup property, you may have the values like this. So in this example, I am using the widget's name and the widget's occurrence number, and these values will be replaced with the widget name and the widget occurrence number that will be generated. So this is my Panther screen which I am going to make use in my Panther web application. As you can see, I have a grid with columns here. So each column is of different widget type. One is dynamic label, one is list box, and the last one is single line text field. So I have applied the properties in each of its HTML options. As you can see, I have properties applied in the prefix markup, in the attributes, and in the suffix markup as well. So now let's just see how these properties behave on the web. So this is my Panther web application. Now let's just go to the view page source. So now I'm just checking for the first column. So my column name is first call. So the property which I have applied in the prefix markup is shown here, that is CL1, and whereas the property that I applied in the attributes is shown here. So the incremental of these properties are here. You can see CL2, first call 2. So based on these properties, we can apply different CSS stylings and all for your Panther widgets.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked our video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.